to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear to see. Come on and step out of the cage.
Alright guys, so I'm back with this part of the video. So it is dry enough, so if I tap it, I don't want to tap a big part. It might still be a little bit dark, but as you can see, nothing coming up when I tap it. So it's dry, and it didn't take long, but it took long for me because I did a lot more other slabs, and then I'm coming back to this one now. So I want to show you some of the other ones I did while I was waiting for this to dry. Look at this cutie. So all these stencils are available on my website. Look at this. This is, oh, I love to use holographic powder. And literally I got this from the dollar store. So if you want to find these from the dollar store, if you want to find out how, oh my god, I hear my daughter in the background. Sorry guys. But yeah, I got these from the Dollar Tree. And that's what I used to do this beautiful mix and blend of color. Okay, so yes, and then I have another one that I did. These are all from my stamps, and then I just did the paint work with acrylic paint. Most of my acrylic paint comes from Dollar Tree too, and online, of course. Oh, this one is not acrylic. This one, I'm trying this one to see what comes off this one. This is the gold. I keep saying this one. This is the gold, and this is this paint. True. Yeah, this is the one I use. I do resin, so I use it for resin, but I just wanted that gold. I didn't have it in nothing, no acrylic paint. So it's drying perfectly well though. If you check it out, it's really drying good. But yeah, I love this. And I also did this one. Ooh, I love that. That is so gorgeous. I don't know if I'm gonna add stuff to it, but I'm only gonna finish this one in this video. You're gonna have to go to my Instagram to see what shapes come out of the others. Okay? Yeah, I'm excited guys, because these are so cute. Oh my gosh. So what I did was, now I rolled out on my thickest setting on my pasta machine. I roll out, this is just scrap clay, and it's a bunch of colors clay that mixed together and gave me this color. But it's gonna be the back of my jewelry, so it's not really crazy, and it kind of just suits the back anyways. So yeah, I'm using this. So it's already rolled out. Didn't do that. If you want me to show you a video of me rolling clay, let me know in the comments down below. Yes. All right, so yeah, let me move this over. So I'm just gonna place this here. I don't know, I want to get the most of my I want to get the most of this, so I don't know. Oh yeah, it will probably hold here, right? All right, so that, and then I will just get my blade, a sharp blade. I need to get one of those tissue blade. That's the best blade to use, but money's low. I'm gonna be ordering it though as soon as I can. So what I do is I place it down on my tile, and now I am just cutting off the extras. Yeah, that's it. And what I like to do, nothing goes to waste guys. These come in handy. All your scrap clay, nothing goes to waste. Come in handy, as you see here. So what I like to do too, I have made, I got 2 popsicle sticks. This is another technique to roll. So this is how thick I like my jewelry sometimes. 2 of them. Using one stick is kind of it's very thin, but I like it a little bit more solid, and so forth. I think it's better, but I use 2 different thickness. As I said, this is like this thickness, example of one of my earrings. This thickness is like a little bit bigger than this, thicker than this. This is just the actual thicker settings on the pasta machine. I just took it out and didn't put a back on it without a back. Now the thickest plus number 3 will give it a little bit more thicker a thicker piece. We'll have a thicker piece. Maybe as thick as this. But the Polymer Clay earrings are very light, guys. It doesn't even matter. It's not that thick. I don't go thicker than this. Nothing thicker than this right here. So see the difference. You know, and you can have them thinner too, like this. Let me see if this is... No, this is not any different. I'm trying to find another one that I have that is also very thin. If I know now, I think I use backs on all of them. So let me see. But yeah, I can also go thinner, but I don't like them that thin. I like them this thickness. They're stronger when they're like that. So all right. So now we have our back. We backed it. What I like to do is now put my popsicle sticks that I stacked 2 together, glue them together, and then I get my acrylic roller. And what I like to do is, it might not even touch it, but it just will press down a little. Yeah, and it is touching it. And you can tell it's dry because it's not smudging. So that's what you want. You don't want it smudging, because I already had smudge right there, but you know, we work on that. I'm right there. And yeah, you squeeze it down so it goes in, and it is the thickness that I want. And yeah, that's basically it for that. So that is good. All right, now the next step is to I'm getting my sheet ready. What I bake on is I bake on the same. I reuse these, guys. I will have these for a long time. I have this baking sheet. It's literally a baking sheet. Literally a baking sheet. I need to adjust the camera so you guys can see more. Let me adjust a little bit up. Yeah. So I got this and I cut it in half. It's a baking sheet, and I put my clay on it. You can put it basically on this, but I don't know. I like to put it on here, and when I put it into my oven. So I'm gonna set this up. I always set this up before I start. When I cut, I can just transfer the cut onto here, and then I put it straight into my oven. And I use the instruction on the clay, which is 275 degrees, I think. Yeah, that's what it is, because my convection oven is already set to it and tempered, and I baked this for an hour. So yeah, I'm gonna use my shapes. I have a lot of shape cutter. I just recently print some smaller, see, just print these, literally just came off the machine. This is some cute little cutters. I have a bigger size to show you the difference, so you know I want some little knobs and drop down size. So I got some nice little teardrop. So I will have these as well. I already have some on the website. Check it out, guys, if you want that. And I have the sakura leaf, this, you know, little cute little leaf. Yeah. So I don't know. This is where I get confused, guys. I don't know what shapes I want, but I know I'm using the new shapes because I just did these. I have some cute little hearts. The cute little heart. I have a bigger one. This little small one right here. Cute. Taking off the extra plastic. So I have it's nice little shapes, but now I do not know what shapes I want. So what I do normally is I just move it around. So I just put some shapes on here, and I think I should move you guys over so you guys can see when I'm shaping. To see, let me move you guys. Yeah, so I normally just, let me put it here, put it over, and the shapes are like so cute. So I know I'm thinking of some little studs right here with this shape. Kylie, too loud. You know, I look inside of them and I think, I wonder how this looks, or I wonder how this looks, or you know, that's how the shapes will come. Or would this be cute? Oh yeah, I think I like that. And that's how I get the shapes. So here we go. I think the heart in it is gonna be very cute. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do. What shapes? This is the hardest part for me. I don't know if it's for anybody else, but this is the hard. I think I have too much cutters, so that's why. But it's the hardest part for me is to choose the shapes that I want. Ooh, I think this is But you know when I'll be putting off all these shapes. I'll go through like literally sometimes 20 different shapes on it, just like this. So it takes time, and then I'm like, oh, that's cute. I like that. So I think that's gonna be one of them. Yep, this shape. Because I can get a few out of this. And I probably do the heart. I think I like the heart. And I did like this sleeve. What do you guys like? Leave in the comment. What shape? I also have bigger ones. What shape would you like to see this in? The cow. Ooh, I think that's cute. Let me know in the comments what shapes you would like to see, and I literally will come back, make a video with it, and do the shapes for you and add them to my website, and you may be able to, you can order and get it. So tell me what you like to see. I think I love this too. This is not bad. This is not bad. So I don't know. So I'm gonna have to pause the video. That's how much I'm very indecisive. And I'm really gonna decide. This is a small slab, so I'm gonna have to really decide to use it up well, the different sizes that I can get out of it, and how many, so I don't waste it. That's how I do. That's why it takes me so long to decide what I want. But when I cut it out, I'm gonna pause the camera, do the cutouts, and then come back. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, guys. So after, let me fix this camera. After about 30 minutes or 20 minutes, I have now decided to do these shapes. So let me give you a better view. Guys, that is so cute. So I chose these shapes. It took me like a few minutes to know that I definitely want the cat head knobs. Oh, why do I keep on saying knobs? I call studs knobs. I don't know why. That's it stuck in my head. I'm gonna get it out. But yeah, I know I want these studs like the head, and I like the sakura leaf idea. I think they're cute. And then these, I just wanted some normal original shapes, and then of course, you know, the spaces, I'm going to get my little circles out of it. So yeah, that's what I did. So guys, at the end of this video, I know I'm gonna bake them now for an hour, and then I'm going to use resin over them. If you want to see a video of me resin in my pieces, let me know, because I'm gonna do that to them, because these are just so perfect. My cutters did a good job. All right, I love them. Like, they're lightweight, they're easy, they're sharp, guys. Oh, they're strong. See, I'm putting a lot of weight on them, and it's not gonna pop. It's not gonna give. They're light and they're thin, but they are perfectly perfect for polymer clay cutting and for kids craft too. Yeah. So guys, this is the first slab. I have like 4 more to go. I'm gonna back them. You're gonna see those on my Instagram. Come on, go on my Instagram at Handmade Zion, anywhere at Zion with a Y. The links are gonna be in the description. Yes, so you guys gonna see these. Maybe I'm gonna have a picture at the end when I actually finish these, or you'll see them on my Instagram. I don't know, but watch the end of this video to see. And if you got this far, thank you guys for watching. I really love what I do. I love this. This makes me feel so happy. Oh my gosh. So yeah, and you're watching this video, you might be able to get these on the website, so you know, get this piece of the slab right here. Yeah, check it out guys. Thank you, and see you in the next video.